how to make GIF in Canva. Creating a GIF in Canva is a fun way to add animation to your designs, perfect for social media posts, website graphics, or digital marketing materials. Here's how to create a GIF in Canva, step by step. Choose the type of design you want to create. You can select from predefined sizes or create a custom size depending on where you plan to use the GIF. Each page in your Canva design will become a frame in your GIF. Start designing your first frame. You can add text, images, shapes, and other elements as needed. Click on the plus button to add a new page frame. Design each frame according to how you want your GIF to animate. For example, if you're going to create a text animation, slightly move or change the text in each new frame. Canva allows you to animate individual elements or entire pages. Click on an element or select the whole page, then choose an animation style from the Animate menu at the top of the editor. Note that heavy animations might not translate well into GIF format, so use this feature sparingly for GIFs. Use the play button in the top right corner of the editor to preview how your GIF will look. This step will help you ensure that the animation flows smoothly from one frame to another. Once you're satisfied with your animation, click the download button in the upper right corner of the screen. In the download options, choose GIF as your file type. If your design has multiple pages frames, this option will compile them into a single GIF. Click the download button to save your GIF to your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.